So the first thing, which is chargeable under the head profits and gains of business and profession, is profits and gains of any business or profession carried on by the assessee at any time during the previous year. Let me explain this to you. So it says profits and gains. Now we know that in a business you can have both profits and losses. If you see the definition, this says profits and gains. So does it mean that if in particular year I have only losses, then the income will not be chargeable to under this head? Now, profits and gains for the purpose of income tax, and I'm not talking about accounting or anything, profits and gains for the purpose of income tax will include your losses as well. Losses are included. So as you move forward, you will learn when you go on to the next chapters that even when losses are there, the assessment has to be done. For tax purposes, even losses are chargeable under the head profits and gains of business and profession. If you have a doubt in your mind that do I need to pay taxes even on the losses, the answer is no. There is no tax which is payable on the losses. But yes, if there are losses, that is included and chargeable. What happens to them, how it works out is something which we will see as we move forward in our classes. Of any business, any, which means that if you have business 1 and you have business 2, you have profession 1 and 2, then all the four of them, this, any business which you are carrying on, the profits of that is chargeable to income tax, carried on by the assessee. So the business has to be carried on by the assessee. So if A Limited is there, you are preparing the tax return of A Limited, then the business should be carried on by A Limited at any time during the previous year. Previous year we all know is April 1 to March 31st. Now, what do you mean by this clause at any time during the previous year? Now what this means basically is, let me just kind of remove this. What this means is that suppose previous year is a period of April 1 to March 31 normally. In some cases it is restricted, which you would have seen, but I'm generally talking about. Suppose X was carrying on any business from April 1 and suddenly on August 31st he closed his business. But he carried out on during this period, although during this period he did not carry it on. So whatever profits and gains he's made during this particular period, whatever profits and gains he is making, those are chargeable to tax for that particular financial year. So at any point in time during the year, if you are carrying on any business or profession, any profits that you earn out of it are chargeable to income tax. Okay, let's just revisit this. Profits and gains includes losses of any business or profession. If you are carrying more than one business or profession, profits of all of them are chargeable to tax, carried on by the assessee. The business has to be carried on by the assessee at any time during the previous year. Not necessary that you carry it on for 12 months. It could be less than 12 months also. But even in that case, this will be chargeable to tax in the hands of the assessee during the previous year.